Hello, in this video I want to show you how to mute ringtones on EMPORIA Smart 4. So in order to do this, there's a few ways we can attempt that, and the first one is to click on this gear icon at the top of the screen and move to the more settings. There should be somewhere in the system setting, and here we can find the sound. There'll be ring volume, and here you can change that. If you increase it, you will hear a loud sound, and if you decrease it, your phone will turn into vibrate mode. Also, another way is to click on the volume buttons right here, and then click on this adjustment volume, and here's the ringtones also. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.